A very warm greetings to all the Nalandians. In today's video, we are going to discuss chapter number 7, that is Introduction to MS Paint from our IT skill book, and we are starting from page number 63. Starting with the first tool, children, that is the brushes tool. So this is the icon for the brushes tool, and we use the brush tool in order to draw brush strokes on the canvas area. So this is the canvas area, children. So now let's see few steps how we can use this tool, children. The first step is to click on the brushes option. So we will have a left click on this. जैसे ही हमने लेफ्ट क्लिक किया, चिल्ड्रन यू हैव सो मेनी ऑप्शंस. आप यहाँ से अपनी चॉइस की कोई भी ब्रश को सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि आई हैव सेलेक्टेड दिस ब्रश. नाउ द सेकेंड स्टेप इज दैट यू कैन सेलेक्ट द साइज ऑफ योर ब्रश. नाउ आई एम selecting this size. Then we need to select the color 1 and then we need to select the color of our choice from the box. We can draw the strokes here. You can see, children. Now suppose if I want to change the size of my brush, children, then I can change it from this option. Again, if you want some other size, you can use that also. And you can change the color also if you want, along with size. So children, you can use brushes of different size. You can see that the size are different. Let's talk about the shapes group now. So you can see so many shapes are there in the shapes group. Obviously children, we can use these shapes to draw it on the drawing area. चिल्ड्रन, आप ये जो शेप देख सकते हैं शेप्स ग्रुप में, आप उनको ईजिली ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं ड्राइंग एरिया में. नाउ लेट्स सी द स्टेप्स हाउ टू यूज दीज शेप्स. Now suppose I want to draw this star in the drawing area. So I will select it with the left click. After selecting this star, children, I will select the size. Size of the thickness of the boundary. यानी कि star जो हम draw कर रहे हैं उसकी boundary कितनी मोटी होगी, we can select from these. Suppose I want it to be of this much thickness, so I can select this. Then we will select the color 1. color 1 का मतलब होता है बच्चों कि हम किसी भी शेप की बाउंड्री का कलर सेलेक्ट कर रहे हैं. सो अगर मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेरे स्टार का कलर ब्लू हो, देन आई कैन सेलेक्ट द ब्लू कलर फ्रॉम दिस कलर पैलेट. आप देख सकते हो कि कलर चेंज हो गया है. नाउ क्लिक एंड ड्रैग द माउस. योर स्टार इज रेडी. So like this you can draw the star. Now suppose children, अगर मैं चाहती हूँ मेरे स्टार की थिकनेस जो है बाउंड्री की वो कम हो, तो उसके लिए अगेन I will select the figure. Then I'll select the size. Now I want my size to be thinner. Then again color 1 is selected. Now let it be of red color, children. So let me draw it here. You can see that the star is of red color. So children, like this we can draw shapes of different thickness and different colors. Now let's discuss about the color groups. So in color group, children, you can see that there is a color 1, then there is color 2, and there are different options for us to use the colors in our drawings. Children, now let's discuss the different colors given to you. Now here this is color 1 and this is color 2. So इन दोनों में क्या difference है children, and हम इन दोनों को कैसे use करते हैं, let's see them. Color 1 is used for the outline, यानी कि जो भी हम फिगर बनाते हैं children, उसमें जो outline यानी कि boundary का जो color होता है, that is color 1. Now this is color 1, that is orange. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि boundary का color जो है वो orange है. Now if I change this color brown, you can see color 1, the boundary has changed. Now you can select other color also, children. You can see that color 1 is green now, so boundary is green. So color 1 is used for boundaries or outlines. Now children, let's see how to use color 2. कलर 2 होता है बच्चों फिगर के अंदर कलर फिल करने के लिए, यानी कि जो फिलिंग कलर होता है जो हमें पिक्चर के अंदर फिल करना होता है, दैट इज कलर 2. कलर 1 इज फॉर बाउंड्री एंड कलर 2 इज द कलर फिल्ड इनसाइड द पिक्चर. सो कलर 2 हम सेलेक्ट करते हैं यहाँ से. Suppose I want to select pink color, so I will click on pink color. Now you can see कि color 2 जो है बच्चों वो pink color हो गया है. इसका मतलब कि अगर मुझे अंदर pink color fill करना है, then I'll select the color 2 and I will have a right click here. You can see that the color has changed to pink. So right color. So color 2 is the filling color and color 1 is the color of the outline. नाउ सपोज आप एक ऐसा कलर करना चाहते हैं इसमें चिल्ड्रन जो कि आप इसमें नहीं देख पा रहे हो, यानी कि जो आप कलर इसमें करना चाहते हो वो इसमें है ही नहीं, तो आप इसमें और कलर कैसे ऐड कर सकते हैं? वी कैन ऐड मोर कलर्स विद दिस ऑप्शन. हम एडिट कलर्स पर क्लिक करेंगे चिल्ड्रन, हमारे पास कुछ ऑप्शंस आएंगी जिनको हम यहाँ से ऐड कर सकते हैं. यू कैन सी दैट डिफरेंट कलर्स are here, so we can select these colors and we can add it in our color box. Now children, suppose you have done a lot of drawing on your drawing area, and now if you want to save your file, then what are the steps to save a file? And do you know children that it is very important for us to save the file if we want to use the file again. So let's see few steps children that we can use to save a file. So you can see this icon children. This icon is used for saving a file. So you can click on this icon, you will get a dialog box. You can write the name of your file here. आप अपनी फाइल का नेम यहाँ पर क्लिक करेंगे और लिखेंगे. So I have written the name here. So I can save this file by clicking on save option. So you can see that now the name of my file has changed. अब इसका नाम My Drawings आ रहा है children. So like this you can save your files. There is one more method that you can use to save your file. You can click on the file button and you will get an option of save. So you can click on save and then again you will get a dialog box and then you can write the name of your file there. So let me click on save. So जैसे ही हम save पर click करेंगे बच्चों, again we will get a dialog box. Then we can write the name of our file and then we can save it. Now children, let's see how to open a saved file. अगर हमने एक फाइल पहले ही सेव कर रखी है तो हम उसे ओपन कैसे करते हैं? Let's see the steps regarding that. So first of all we will click on the file button. Then this dialog box will come and we will click on open. ओपन पे क्लिक करने के बाद चिल्ड्रन हम देखेंगे कि हमें फाइल किस लोकेशन से लेनी है. सो हमें डेस्कटॉप से लेनी है. सो वी विल क्लिक ऑन डेस्कटॉप. So these are the files available children. Now suppose I want to open my drawings. So I will click on this and I will click on open button. So you can see that my file is opened. Let me open one more file. So I'll go on file and then I'll click on open and then I'll click on desktop. I'll click on introduction to MS Paint. I'll click, you can see that name has come here in the file name. Now click on open. So children, you can see that your file is opened. So like this we can open the saved files in our system. Now suppose children you want to take a printout of this page, then you need to go to file. You'll get a menu list here and then you will click on print. Now when you click on print children, you will get this dialog box and you have to select the printer from here. आप अपना printer यहाँ से select करेंगे and then you will click on print and your page will be printed. So if the printer is connected to your system children, you can easily get a printer there. So with this children we complete our chapter number 7, that is Introduction to MS Paint. I hope you understood the concept well children. Thank you and have a great day.